Welcome to the world of codeless web automation testing, the BotPlay automation. BotPlay testing bot can automate your web application manual testing and processes without writing a single line of code. It's simple, it's easy, it's portable, and it's codeless. Now that you have downloaded the BotPlay application from botplayautomation.com, you must be wondering how to set up the bot on your machine before creating automation scripts. As we say, BotPlay is easy, setting it up is simple too. Open the bot by clicking the botplay.exe file and log in from the Create Bot tab. Now on the right-hand side, you will see the navigation menu bar. This is where all your subscription details are preloaded for you. Open the subscription management section and pick up your details. First of all, copy the server details. Now navigate to the Run Bot tab and open the navigation menu bar and paste the value copied into the server field. Repeat the same for the other three fields as well, which are BotPlay username, auth key, and auth code. That's it. Now your BotPlay is all ready to automate manual test cases on your machine. This is BotPlay Automation, a unique codeless automation testing SaaS platform. Let you automate the testing on web applications without writing and maintaining any code. With BotPlay, anyone can automate. Visit botplayautomation.com to start for free.